Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at another tactical bag, and I know how much you guys liked the last one that we talked about. Well, this is a slimmer version of tactical bags that I will be testing out. Now, quick disclaimer, this bag was sent out to me to review, so I will be doing just that. I wanted to unveil this to you guys and show you exactly what you get when it comes to this tactical bag. Now, again, as I said, it's a single sling bag, as you guys see here, and you have a nice little pocket right here that'll be perfect for maybe a smartphone or something like that if you're so inclined. On the front here, again, another really nice pocket. This one has a little clip and you could place something in the front section here as well. I like that a lot. I like the fact that you could just clip something right here in the front. And you also have an additional pocket down here. And this could be for any number of different things that you carry, every day. All of your EDC things can fit in this one bag. And then here at the top, we have another pocket, as you guys can see, just like so. It's not large like the bottom pocket, but they kind of mirror each other. So you have two small pockets that you can keep things in. And then as we get further into the bag, we have another section right here that you can place a lot of stuff in here, like a small tablet or a large phone or whatever it is. And then you also have some mesh areas here as well that are zippered. This could be great for like rechargeable batteries, SD cards, any of that kind of stuff. And it's another section a little bit further down that is also pocketed as well. So overall, so far, I do like all of the nice little pockets. The zippers move really fluently. And let me just take a look here real close. Yes, it's really nice zippers on here. Now on the inside, the larger pocket, you guys can see that it comes with some accessories, and one of those accessories is this little holster right here. So this would be ideal for, some people who, carry the little pew-pew wherever you go. This would be ideal for that. This is going to connect like Velcro. It just sticks right inside, and you can kind of position that however you need it. And then you have another section up here that you could also use similarly. So it just depends on how you want to apply whatever it is you're using it for. But really nice area in here. You have some Molly straps inside of the bag, so you could hang things off of here like a flashlight or a pocket knife or something like that. So that's another cool thing about this bag. Now the back of the bag has that water moisture wicking material, so you shouldn't get sweaty. I live, in a really hot state, so trust me, having something up against my skin all day could, create some uncomfortable situations. But, you have that. Now the strap here is ambidextrous, so you can swap this from left to right. Now, if I was going to wear this bag, I would probably wear it something like this, so it could just, securely fit around this portion of my body. I could feel comfortable walking around with it. Everything that I need would be right here in this regional area. So I could easily, open up one of these zippered areas without even pretty much looking at it, reach inside and get whatever it is that I'm looking for. You guys know what I'm talking about. So really nice design for the bag. So if you guys are looking for a tactical bag that you can carry with you, that is going to be a part of your EDC lifestyle, this could be exactly what you're looking for. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech. Want to do a quick video showing you guys this really cool little tactical bag that I will be testing out. So there'll probably be some future videos talking a little bit more in depth what my experience has been with this bag. But just having it on right now, it feels really comfortable. I don't feel like it's restraining me in any kind of way. I feel like I can freely move. So to me, that's a win. All right, guys, I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.